Hi everyone, it's Renee. Last month I got me a stencil from Temu, and this is how it turned out. I was so pleased with that. And then I got a small haul. It's not big. I got a trip from Las Vegas. I need to scrapbook. I went to Joann's and got some stuff because they are closing their doors here in my town. Then I got some Valentine puppy stickers. And I got some brads and some gems. And then one of my cousins graduated last year from high school, and I still need to scrapbook it, so I got a graduation one. And then I got me some paper. I got some, fireworks. And I believe all these are American crafts. And I got 2 of this one, and for some reason it reminded me of a quilt like my grandma used to make, so I got 2 of those. And I got a mint cardstock and 2 sky blue. I love sky blue. And this one was just bright and cheery, so I got this one. And this one reminds me of a sunset, so I got that. And it depends on the way you look at it. It's either cubes or hexagons, and I got 2 of that one. Got 1 heart one. And my granddaughter absolutely loves unicorns. So I got me 3 of the unicorn one to do some scrapbook of her. And I just got some new pictures of her, so I can do that on those. And I love cameras, so I got me 2 of the camera ones. And I don't know what it is about this one, but I really liked it, so I got 2 of this one. Me and my friend travel around the state, so I got this one. And I got 2 aqua cardstock. Love that color. Got a white one. Didn't know I grabbed that. And a mint one. Oh, there's my other map one. I can put that with the map. Then I got a newspaper one. A polka dot one. Oh, here's my other fireworks one. Put that with that. And then from Temu, I just got a couple things this month. I got a stencil of lightning. Thought that was so cool. And a raindrop one to go with it. And then my craft kit came today, and I took it out of the packaging. And I think these are so cute. They're handmade embellishments, little birdies. I thought they were so cute. And then this is my ephemera pack. And it's by Fancy Pants, 53 pieces. It says 246 stickers in here. Oh, and it's got alphabet and words with it. I've never gotten that before in a sticker pack. Cool. And my paper is Bloom Collection Kit by Fancy Pants Designs. Get 2 of this one. This side is splatters, it looks like. Flowers again. Ooh, I love this side. I love purple. It's pretty. Ooh, I like. So 2 of each one. Ooh, I like this side. Strawberries. Can use that for canning when I do canning with my cousin. Oh, I'm glad they got 2 sheets of each. I like that side too. Oranges, or, yeah, that's oranges. I was going to say peaches, but looks more orangey. Ooh, I love that side. And more floral. And burnt. And the sticker sheet. Oh, this will be easy to use up. I think I'll actually get a full sticker sheet used up. This is easy to use. I like this. All right, this is it. This is all I have today. Thank you for watching, and have a great day or night wherever you're at, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.